So a lot of people are having an issue where Discord will turn their computer volume down or their phone volume when they start playing a game or when they join voice chat, for example. Firstly, obviously, load up Discord. Look to the bottom left of the screen and you're going to want to look for user settings. It's the little cogwheel and we're going to give that a click. Now on the left hand side of the screen, you're going to want to scroll down until you see voice and video. Let's give that a click. And again, this will display the various settings. So you're going to want to scroll down the list until you see Show Advanced Voice Settings. Let's give that a click. Now the issue here is almost certainly attenuation strength. And again, this turns down the volume on your computer and probably makes it a bit easier to hear sometimes, but this is what's causing the issue. So you're going to want to turn your attenuation strength down to 0. Also, you can probably turn off when I speak and when others speak as well. And there we go, guys. Nice simple video. Hope you found that useful, and let me know in the comments if that solved your issue. Have a great day.